When to update a living trust in New York. A living trust isn't a document you sign once and forget about forever. Life changes constantly. Tax laws shift frequently, and your personal goals evolve over time. If your trust no longer reflects your current wishes, assets, or family situation, it may fail to protect your loved ones as intended. Under New York Estate's Powers and Trusts Law, a lifetime trust is irrevocable by default, unless its terms expressly state that it is revocable. This means the language in your original trust document matters significantly for your future flexibility. Regular reviews help you catch practical issues that could create problems for your family later. A beneficiary you named years ago may no longer be the right choice for your current circumstances. Trusts should be reviewed every 3 to 5 years, or whenever a major life event occurs in your family. Marriage and divorce are two of the most significant events that can affect your estate planning strategy. If you marry after creating your trust, your new spouse may have rights under New York law that your trust doesn't account for. Under New York law, a surviving spouse has the right to elect against the estate and receive specific protections. If you divorce, New York law generally revocable dispositions in favor of a former spouse, but updating your trust prevents complications. The birth or adoption of a child or grandchild is a common reason to revisit and modify your trust provisions. If your trust was created before a child was born, that child may not be included as a beneficiary in your current plan. The death of a beneficiary or changes in a beneficiary's circumstances can also create significant gaps in your planning. If a beneficiary develops a disability after the trust was created, you may want to add supplemental needs trust provisions. New York has specific legal requirements for amending a revocable trust that must be followed precisely. Any amendment must be in writing and executed by the person authorized to amend a trust under state law. Unless the trust document provides otherwise, the amendment must be acknowledged before a notary public or signed with proper witnesses. There are two common ways to update your trust: a trust amendment that changes specific provisions, or a full restatement. A trust amendment changes specific provisions while leaving the rest of the trust intact and operational. A full trust restatement replaces the entire trust document with a new version that reflects your current wishes. The attorney at Davies Law Firm helped families throughout Syracuse and Central New York keep their living trust estate plans current and effective. Whether you created your trust 5 years ago or 15 years ago, a periodic review can prevent costly problems. The lawyer at this law firm worked with clients to review existing plans, identify gaps, and make updates that reflect real life. Call Davies Law Firm at 315 472 6511, located at 210 East Fayette Street, Syracuse, New York 13202, to schedule your consultation today.